Black Noddy is a medium-sized black tun with a white cap and straight pointed bill. It is smaller than the Brown Noddy with a pointier bill and shorter tail. It is also darker than the Brown Noddy with a more contrasting white cap. Black Noddies are usually known to nest in the Pacific Ocean and some parts of the Atlantic. This small nesting colony may be the first record of nested Black Noddies in the Caribbean. They were seen amongst nesting Brown Noddies in the Lesser Antilles. This discovery was made by Dr. Kenneth Carter and the 3K seaboarding team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment and hit the like button.